In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the four-wheel drive switch in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Drop the steering wheel down a little bit, just adjust it down as far as it goes. And we'll turn the key on, put my foot on the brake, and we're going to shift this all the way down into first gear. Just to get the shifter out of the way. And grab this panel, still keeping your foot on the brake. Slide this out and up, out of the way. Now we can shift back to park and turn the key off. Just take a pocket screwdriver on the side here, just pull it out with a little bit of force, and then on the top there, on the other side as well. Once you get those to release, this pops right out. You can see where it's clipped in right there, there, and there. I'll disconnect the connectors. This little tab here, just pry up on this. Just with a pocket screwdriver or a pick. Slide that out. And this one as well. There it is. Take the new one, line it up, lock it in place, and lock that one in place. Slide that, lock it down. Now we're going to turn the key on again and shift it all the way down to first. With your foot on the brake. And we can slide this cover in place, still keeping your foot on the brake. Line this up. And push it back down. Put it back in park, shut the vehicle off, and adjust the steering wheel again.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.